Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's phrase of the day is wake up call. Wake up call has both a literal and figurative meaning. Originally, a wake up call refers to a telephone call made to a hotel guest to wake them up at a requested time. For example, a guest might request a wake up call at 7 a.m. to ensure they don't oversleep. Now, figuratively, a wake-up call is an event or situation that alerts someone to a problem or prompts them to take action. It's often used to describe a shocking event that changes the way people think. So let's look at some sentences. The sudden increase in crime rates was a wake-up call for the community to improve neighborhood safety. After failing his exams, it was a wake-up call for him to start studying harder. The rise in unemployment has given a wake-up call to state governments. So use this phrase to describe an experience that makes someone realize they need to change their behavior or take action. Like and subscribe. And I will see you again tomorrow for more common phrases of the day. And we love your company. Please like and subscribe. Have a good evening, guys. Bye-bye.